Good morning, Nishant. It's Vadim over at Audi Linwood. I'm sitting inside of a similar Q5 to the Q5 that you just recently purchased, and so just wanted to make this quick video to show you how to adjust in the settings so that when you guys use the spare key to lock your Q5 so that the exterior mirrors will fold in. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is down here you want to select car, and then that's going to default to this screen right here, and the red box is already highlighting vehicle settings. It automatically defaults to vehicle settings, so you're just going to go ahead and select vehicle settings, and then we're going to go down to central locking, and then go down to fold mirrors. So of course you're going to want to start the car and use the car with the second key while you do this, and I think you'll find that fold mirrors is going to be turned off. That's why whenever you guys use that spare key, it's not folding in the mirrors when you lock the car. So you're just going to select fold mirrors, switch it to on, and that's it. You're good to go. Then when you exit out of that, the car will now fold the mirrors when you use that key. All right, let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you again, Nishant. Excuse me, it was great working with you and Priyanka. Really appreciate it. Alrighty, bye bye.